Christine Ehlenbeck with the Next Step Home team at Keller Williams Realty Smart. Welcome to 6086 Seagull Lane in Lakeland, Florida. Located in the active adult community of Sandpiper, this is a perfect fit for anyone in the 55 and up market looking for easy living and wonderful amenities. This beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is truly move-in ready. It's being sold fully furnished and turnkey, and it even has a brand new roof. So let's take a look and see if this might be the next step for you. Not only does this community feature an 18-hole golf course with pro shop and restaurant, but there is also a clubhouse, fitness center, pools and spas, tennis and pickleball courts, event spaces, and more. All of this in the heart of Florida, with easy access to Tampa, Orlando, and nearby beaches, as well as downtown Lakeland, Tigertown, and ample shops and entertainment. An added benefit is the inclusion of your lawn care, cable, and internet, all for a low monthly fee, so you can just sit back and enjoy the good life. For joining me on the tour of this amazing community and incredible home. If I can help you with this property or any of your real estate needs, please feel free to contact me at your convenience. My cell phone number is 863-617-8544.